Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. The vehicle is presented in the fantastic Tanzanite blue, also features a wide array of BMW optional extras. Alongside that, we have of course also added a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. As you can see, we've also added a set of the 19-inch 442M BMW alloys that we have had just professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. Sitting just behind those wheels, the vehicle comes equipped with the M Sport Plus brakes. Down the side of the car, you'll also see the gloss black air breathers from BMW. We've added the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Another rare and sought after option on this vehicle, matching really well with that sought after colour combo. On the exterior is the glass sunroof, currently just in its tilt, and we'll show you more of that shortly. Inside the car is a wonderful black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar option seats. As you can see, that's currently all being very nicely illuminated by having of course that glass sunroof. 6-speed manual, and we shall of course show you more about the interior features shortly. For the rear passengers, there's a wonderful 3-seat Isofix rear bench there, a central folding armrest, and of course the remainder of the headliner is darkened M Sport headlining. Around towards the back of the car, again showing you off these wonderful freshly refurbished alloys, and as you can see there, thanks to the showroom lights this afternoon, that Tanzanite blue really has a huge amount of metallic effect to that colour and shines greatly under any source of light. Round at the back of the car, we've got the gloss black rear boot spoiler and then the matching rear diffuser, again all working really well with that colour. Automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals a very large boot space that can be made even bigger thanks to the split folding seats and removable top and bottom parcel shelves. Round onto the driver's side now, where once again we can show off to you as best as possible this wonderful, very sought after colour combination, which has to be said works extremely well with all of the additions we've made to the car ourselves. Inside the car, we again have got some really nice features. I'm going to of course open up that sun screen all the way back to show off as best as possible how much light that will let into the car. With that pushed all the way back, we'll start the car up as well. Professional wide navigation and media screen. Having that bigger screen is of course huge benefit, especially when using things like the satellite navigation. We do of course also get Bluetooth telephone, Bluetooth audio, DAB, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs including music collection. The external devices will cover you for USB and AUX inputs alongside the pre-mentioned Bluetooth audio. This vehicle has actually covered just over 86,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout the video you've been able to see it's in superb condition inside and out, and especially with such great options and a colour, will be definitely a very sought after vehicle, I'm sure. In terms of the car's service record, it's not due a service for 13,000 miles, and up at service history you can see there, if we go down to the bottom, we've got extensive full BMW service history up to the most recent, which was at 79160, and that was for a full service including all filters. So there is a look around this fantastic 4 Series. Hopefully you've been able to enjoy the walk around. If you do of course want to find out a little bit more about the car, including all of the prices and funding options that are available, in the description below the video there is a link to our website. From there you can of course find out more about the car, including prices and funding options. Thank you all so much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you all very soon. Bye bye.